A great truth, that each of us is destined for something extraordinary, lies hidden in this enormous world. Life transforms into an enchanting fabric of happiness and joy when we learn the secret to our special destiny, unlike anything we have ever experienced. However, along this cosmic journey, we could lose ourselves in the maze of doubt and deviate from our intended course. Don't worry, the cosmos is working behind the scenes to help us rediscover our brilliance. It is pressing us to reach our full potential and shine like the stars in the night sky. The universe gently whispers its guidance to us, using CodedMessages as we navigate through life's river and encounter barriers. Our existence is akin to a grand symphony with its highs, lows, ups, downs, and unique melodies that define each of us. Sometimes, the notes align, and everything feels in harmony with the cosmos. Yet, amid this symphony, there might be whispers of discontent or calls for change. Embrace these feelings, for they are signs of growth and readiness for the next chapter in your journey. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you possess the power to evolve and soar to new heights of self-discovery and fulfillment. As you embrace the guidance of the universe, may your life's symphony resonate with purpose and bring forth a harmonious symphony that enriches not only your existence, but also the world around you. It is a fundamental aspect of who we are as people, and we are drawn to new experiences. However, the persistent desire for anything different lessens as soon as we connect ourselves with our mission. Our zeal for our interests grows to the point where we become uninterested in everything else. Consider it a clear indication that change is necessary if you constantly think about choosing an alternative course of action. Take advantage of this chance for change and venture into unexplored territory. Accept the ambiguity, since it stimulates personal development and fulfillment. Amidst the vast tapestry of life, immerse yourself in these enchanting fantasies, for they hold the key to unlocking transformative change and guiding you towards your true purpose. The universe operates in enigmatic ways, and what may initially appear as misfortunes could be profound messages whispering to your soul. Embrace the ebb and flow of life, for sometimes the most unexpected twists and turns lead to a clearing of the path, making way for something far greater to manifest. Each moment of change is a precious opportunity to sculpt a new and fulfilling reality for yourself. Let go of the notion of random events, as your journey is meticulously woven, and every experience serves as a purposeful redirection, attuned to your innermost desires. Trust the process and have faith in the unfolding journey of life. Stress can be a powerful indicator that something in your life requires attention, even when everything seems fine externally. Feeling irritable and annoyed by trivial things might signal a need for change in your path. Embrace these signals from the universe and consider making adjustments to lead you towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Your emotions serve as an effective navigation system, giving you information about how well your life is in line with your genuine desires. You can tell you're headed in the correct direction when you feel at peace and content. However, it may be an obvious sign that change is required if you constantly feel nervous and stressed and discover yourself looking for escapism through vacations, events, or drinking. Although overcoming obstacles is a natural part of life, accepting required changes and choosing the proper path can result in pain relief and a general sense of well-being. As you venture through the intricate maze of life, it becomes increasingly paramount to recognize and overcome destructive tendencies that may hinder your progress. Remember that challenging times are opportunities for growth, leading you towards a brighter future and shaping your character along the way. Embrace the upcoming revolutionary journey, where your life will soar to new heights, leaving behind perpetual troubles and embracing thrilling adventures. While difficulties may offer valuable insights, it is vital to avoid getting trapped in a never-ending cycle of hardship. Dedicate time to discerning the factors that promote your well-being and those that hinder it. So, as you set forth on this remarkable path, armed with newfound wisdom, may you navigate life's twists and turns with grace and resilience, unlocking the endless possibilities that await you on your journey. Embrace the challenges, savor the victories, and let the river of life carry you towards a fulfilling and meaningful existence.